Welcome to this VRpatients video. In this video, we will explore the Transfer of Care tab. Use this page to provide information about the scenario to users and other instructors in your organization. Scenario information allows the author to provide selected information to the user prior to the user beginning the scenario. This may be in the form of a patient report or typical information the user receives prior to the beginning of a simulation. Scenario information is seen by the user as the scenario downloads. Tags are a method the scenario author can use to sort or communicate the scenario content with other instructors in the organization. There is a list of static tags that can be attached to a scenario. In the search panel, begin typing a word and a list of tags will appear that may be added. If a tag is not in the list, simply type the word or words and hit Enter to add the tag to the scenario. The scenario goals can be listed in the text box. This information can be shared or hidden from the user during the scenario loading process based on the desires of the scenario author. The scenario author may list up to 5 learning objectives that are to be accomplished in the scenario by the user. If entered, the learning objectives will be displayed to the user during the downloading process. The scenario author may identify the patient code status appropriate for the scenario. This is an example of what the user sees during the loading process. Thank you for watching this VRpatients video.